Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is my review of the LEGO Technic Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit build. Anyway, here is the model. As it seems, the planetary model of the Earth, Moon, and orbiting around the Sun. This is a cool build with lots of gears and cool build techniques for getting the functionality to work for the Earth to orbit around the Sun, and for both the Moon and then the Moon to orbit around the Earth, in addition to around the Sun. And they have some additional details. You get these stickers to indicate what time of year it is. As you can see, the Earth is slightly tilted over here, so that when it is winter, the southern hemisphere is facing, or when it's winter in the northern hemisphere, the sun is facing the southern hemisphere. And then when you're around the other side, because it says it's January, and when you're around the other side, then the Earth is angled the other way. So this is how it works. There's a crank here, and you just crank it around, and it's got the little indicator of what month it is. So right now that's up to April, and as it goes around, the moon goes around the Earth spins, the sun spins, and the Earth goes around the sun there. So, and now when it's summer, so this would be June, now the Earth is pointing right, or the northern hemisphere is pointing at the sun. So it's very cool. You got those accurate little details of actually how the Earth and Moon orbit around the sun, and how the Moon orbits. There's the details about the Earth or the Moon phases there. So as the Moon goes around, you see that. So that's a full moon because the sun shining on the Moon there, and you can see it from Earth. And then of course on the other side, when it's a no moon there, where you can't see the moon because the sun is shining on this side of the moon, the light side of the moon. So anyway, that is another two of the neat functions. There's lots of gears you can see in there that spin around, and all the gears that are in up here that all go as well. So yeah, it's a very neat build. It's got two axles coming out for turning spinning the Earth. So this is primarily kind of what you're doing with the crank here, is just the spinning, and then having the Earth slowly rotate around. So the big part is the Earth spinning, the moon going around the Earth, and then everything else is a lot slower. As you can see, the sun is rotating, and then this whole section is rotating. Now, what I also could do is I did hook up a motor up here. So that's just took a little motor, put a little stand on here just to be able to slide it in easy. So, and there it goes. And then if we just turn that on, you can see it go. Of course, it's a little noisy, but yeah, you can motorize it. You can have it hook up and just display it like this if you want to have turn it on for the noise. But yeah, it's a pretty neat model that falls under LEGO bringing back like the space theme. They put the space theme. It's on one of the space Technic sets that they made this year. I think this is a really cool set. I was using it to show my daughter how the Earth moves around the sun and the moon moves around the Earth, and how that affects the seasons. And and then she could have a little fun playing, turning the crank and putting the motor on and just turning that on as well. So it is I think it's just an excellent set to build, as well as an educational set you can use as well. So that's been my review of the LEGO Technic Planet Earth and Moon in Orbit. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.